Where we going, why?
Going Paria Bay.
What are you going to do up there?
Camp. We're going on how young bloods used to say it. We go and live off the ocean.
Alright, so we hike now start. People on side get tired already. Watch them on the back. Breathless.
They now walk 100 feet.
Yeah. So far we walk 100 feet. People are tired.
Have some miles to go still.
Alright. Stay tuned to see them on the ground. Nice place to dive on. And here now, this is something now. The 3 hours now starting. I walk for half an hour from by. Half an hour. Yeah, about half an hour from by the Spring Bridge to the start of the trail. And we're on our way to Paria with the big team. Alright guys, so we're now reaching beach where the 4x4 men does park up. Come to line. Yes, sir. I'm sure what the view look like. So this is actually the start of the trail to go Paria. On my way we will try to get some better views for you guys, right? So stay tuned. One man tap out. I thought this would be 3/4 way. We have one more little hill to go to meet Paria. Everybody tired. It's another music taking a 5. There's the team. Welcome to Paria Bay, guys. Hi guys, so we reached. We're now looking to clear up our spot to set up camp for the night and get some to eat, some crayfish, some fish, anything, and have some fun. Earlier we now build up camp, but I forget to turn the camera on. So that is the by camp and there's the makeshift camp here. Get in. Mansion.
We're going for any tiles. We're going to look for any tiles now.
There's for the ladies here. How many give we a toy here, Cam there?
Come on, guys. Here, you have the door and there's the net. So no mosquitoes can come inside. We too sure about them, but we got to go. Put inside here. And my spot. What that spot?
Mine all they hide all these snacks inside, I watch.
Yeah, look,
all
my
these
snacks.
snacks in them camp.
Snacks, you know?
They're getting ready tonight. Alright, darling, so what we do so far, we set up 2 tents. Tent set up, hammock set up, fire set up. We're gonna get some fish now to roast. If we can get on the sea, we're going in the river. And if we get on the river, we're gonna look for some crayfish. So I'm not sure whatever you are so far, that's not. As a makeshift for the men there. As a little hammock to chill. As for the ladies, we tile inside this. As the tiles we put on there, then look into one. As a little fire hole for the bonfire tonight. That's if we working with. So yeah, we're outside. Who you feel go catch your first fish?
Alex.
Why?
Yeah.
There's a what, 20th attempt?
More than that, but maybe about 50. Change bait and walking, I think.
The bearded blue soap.
No good. No good, my friend.
Well, there's the first fish we catch for the day. Big like my hand, you know? Half in my hand. There's the first one.
I don't like good lime and salt and crick, so.
Man wanna eat him, you know? No man thirsty.
Watch him. God! Watch him.
Pag on it, pag.
What are you talking about?
They're coming out, that's the place get dark. Action time. Yeah, that is it. Some big bubbles up there.
Again, guys. Nah, but you cannot
He's on camera, we can't take this. We gotta let go this. Catch and release, oh, let's see that, eh? One day.
Yes. We have no choice now.
Next Sunday. Nice.
Connection.
Yeah. As we just call our scenic. See what's going on there? That whole on to here. This is what's going on there. Nice color, blue. He want to go. So nice. Very nice. Right. Think to cook. Let's see big, especially catch here. Boucher, snook. Think to cook later. I just go in and clean it and we go in and function. And I'm now clean the fish. Clean. Fire lighting. That is scenic here. They bring oil, they bring frying pan.
I will just make the young thing.
Alex is not season the fish here.
Now what line in now?
I'm gonna bring garlic powder. That yam bread bomb and stuff.
Is that on it though? Maggi seasoning. Black pepper.
Very salt.
Babaga seasoning. But seasoning gotta cut up and thick.
You guys go and fry there so.
Yeah, Maggi seasoning there. Fire blazing there. See what I tell you? Light it on the side now for it to blaze. That's beetroot seasoning now, man. Put seasoning like that. He's saying here for the week.
Ready for it? Get it. Open it now, boy.
Who rapping? Yeah, rapper.
Rapper.
That's the rapper there. There's on him. There's your rap name.
Proper thing, all proper thing. You clean now, boy. Boom, bad cat.
Yo, what's that? Put your hand on the roof and show them how it is. Yo, outside. Have a good night. All this other scene here is totally like the other night we come hunting and we saw when all of them hatch out. I'll probably post a video on the page after. Right, let's show me to the Paria Waterfall. We can take a quick dip and run back out after spending a night on the beach. We didn't get any luck catching any fish this morning, so yeah, I did bread and sausage. So we had enough dinner. Guys, we finally reached Paria Waterfall. After a long hike, earlier, have to see this amazing view. So, take a look. Welcome to Paria Waterfall. Hold on, shit. Very nice. Can't get better than this. You're gonna enjoy it, so pick up later. Alright guys, so we come to the end of the Paria trip. The boatman now come to pick me up. So we're going to leave and head back home. Thanks for joining us. And we'll see you guys on the next adventure soon.